Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to this new video. We are going to learn about colors and also animals. So let's start. So the first word of today is colors. Colors is the plural. It's al-alwanu. Al-alwanu. All right. So I'm going to write it for you. Al-alwanu. Al-alwanu. Repeat after me. Al-alwanu. Good job. This is the plural, and for singular, it's اللون. اللون. I'm going to write it for you. اللون. اللون. And of course here, it's missing shadda. اللون. اللون. Could you repeat after me? اللون. So if we want to ask and say, what color is this? We should say, ما هذا اللون. ما هذا اللون. Repeat after me. ما هذا اللون. Good job. So with the first color of today, and that is أبيض. أبيض. And that is white. أبيض. Let's write it together. أبيض. ألف باء ياء ضاد. أبيض. Okay? أبيض. Good job. How can we say bear? Bear in Arabic is دب. Okay? It's دب. Repeat after me. It's easy. دب. دب. I'm going to write it for you. So it's dal ba. دب. دب. So it's easy, right? Good job. So here we have white bear. So how can we say white bear? White bear in Arabic. So we have the noun first, and that is the animal. So we have دب. Then we have the color white. So it's دب أبيض. Repeat after me. دب أبيض. Good job. So here, how do we say bear? Bear is دب. Correct. How do we say white? White is أبيض or أبيض. Of course, white bear is دب أبيض. Good job. Moving on to the following color, and that is the opposite of white. That is black. أسود. أسود or أسود. Let me write it for you. So it's ألف سين واو دال. أسود. 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 You can pause the video at any time in order to write the word and in order to repeat after me. All right. Moving on to the following vocabulary, and that is a cat. A cat in Arabic, it's قط. قط. And this is for a male cat. قط. All right? قط. All right? قط. So أسود. So this is for something that is masculine. If we are describing a noun that is masculine. If we are talking about something that is feminine, it should be سوداء. سوداء. And for قط, the feminine word is قطة. We only add ta marbuta to most of the words in Arabic in order to talk about a feminine. All right? So here we have black cat. How can we say black cat? Black cat is قط أسود. It's easy. قط. Then we have أسود. قط أسود. Repeat after me. قط أسود. That's great. Good job. So here, a cat is قط, right? Black is أسود. Black cat is قط أسود. Perfect. You are doing great. Here we have ثعلب. ثعلب is fox. ثعلب. Let me write it for you. ثعلب. Okay? It's ثعلب. 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 Good job. What color is this? ما هذا اللون? Yes, orange. Orange in Arabic is برتقالي. 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 برتقالي or برتقالي. Let's write it together. So برتقالي. 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 Good job, everyone. So an orange fox is ثعلب برتقالي. Repeat after me. ثعلب برتقالي. Good job, everyone. So how do we say red? Does any one of you know how to say red? Red in Arabic is أحمر. أحمر or أحمر. All right, let's write it together. But first, let's clear the board. So it's أحمر. 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 Repeat after me. أحمر or أحمر. And also the feminine word here, it's حمراء. حمراء. So here for something that is masculine, here for feminine. All right? And here we have apples. Apples in Arabic is تفاح. تفاح. All right? تفاح. تفاح. Let's write it down. تفاح. And for a singular, it's تفاحة, which is feminine. All right, so تفاح أحمر, تفاحة حمراء. Okay? So here, if we want to say red apples, we should say تفاح أحمر. تفاح أحمر. Repeat after me. تفاح أحمر. Good job, everyone. So how do we say red? Red is أحمر. What about orange? Orange is برتقالي or برتقالي. Good job. How about red apples? Yes, تفاح أحمر. What about an orange fox? It's ثعلب برتقالي. ثعلب برتقالي. This is great. You are doing great. Moving on to another color, and that is blue. Blue in Arabic is أزرق. أزرق. All right, let's write it down. Okay, it's أزرق. أزرق. And the feminine word is زرقاء. Okay, so we have أزرق, زرقاء. أزرق, زرقاء. That's good. How do we say the sea? The sea in Arabic is al-bahru. Repeat after me. Al-bahru. 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 Good job. How do we say the blue sea? The blue sea or the sea is blue in Arabic is al-bahru azraq. Al-bahru azraq. Repeat after me. Al-bahru azraq. Al-bahru azraq. Good job, everyone. You are doing great. Moving on to another color, and that is yellow. Yellow is asfarun. Asfarun. Let's write it down together. Asfarun. All right, it's asfarun. Asfarun. This is for something that is masculine, and for a feminine, it's safraun. 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 Asfar, safraun. And for pants, trousers, it's sirwalun. Sirwalun. Repeat after me. Sirwalun. 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 Good job. Now, how do we say blue in Arabic? Blue is azraq. That's correct. What about yellow? Yellow is asfar. That's correct. How can we say the sea is blue? It's al-bahru al-azraq. And for pants or trousers, it's sirwalun. Sirwalun. Good job, everyone. Good job. Here, what color is this? Ma hadha lawn. It's asfar. So here we are trying to say yellow pants. Yellow pants is sirwalun asfar. Sirwalun asfar. Repeat after me. Sirwalun asfar. Good job, everyone. Moving on to another color, and that is green. Green in Arabic is akhdar. Akhdar or akhdarun. Akhdar or akhdarun. Right. Let's write it down. Akhdar. Akhdar. Okay. Akhdar. And the feminine word is khadra'un. Khadra'un. Okay. Khadra'un. Good job. And for pink, pink is wardiyun. It comes from the word wardatun, that is a flower. Usually they are pink, we can say. So wardiyun. وردي is pink. وردي. Okay? وردي. وردي. Good job, everyone. All right, then we have فهد. فهد is panther. فهد. فهد. Repeat after me. فهد. That's great. Now you know what I'm going to ask. How can we say Pink Panther? Pink Panther is فهد وردي. فهد وردي. Repeat after me. فهد وردي. That's good. Good job, everyone. Moving on to another color, and that is gray. Gray is رمادي. رمادي. All right, we are going to write it down. It's رمادي. 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 رمادي اللون. All right, how can we say elephant? Elephant is فيل. It's easy. فيل. 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 Then how can we say gray elephant? Gray elephant is فيل رمادي. فيل رمادي. فيل رمادي. Good job, everyone. Okay, how can we say panther? Panther in Arabic is فهد. What about pink? Pink is وردي. Pink panther is فهد وردي. What about gray? Gray is رمادي. Elephant is فيل. And gray elephant is فيل رمادي. That's good. Good job, everyone. Here we have a word that is close to the English word, which is a dinosaur. It's dinosaur. Dinosaur. Right. So what color is this? It's red. How can we say red in Arabic? It's أحمر. Good job. It's أحمر. Then how can we say red dinosaur? It's ديناصور أحمر. أحمر. ديناصور أحمر. Good job. Here we have ديناصور أخضر. So أخضر is what color? Can you guess? Yes, correct. It's green. So green dinosaur. ديناصور أخضر. ديناصور أخضر. ديناصور أخضر. Good job, everyone. You are doing great. How can we say green? Green in Arabic is أخضر. Dinosaur, it's ديناصور. Green dinosaur is ديناصور أخضر. Then yellow pants, it's سروال أصفر. سروال أصفر. Good job. فيل أزرق. So what are you expected to see? What animal and what color? Yes, so we have فيل, elephant. أزرق is blue. So blue elephant. فيل أزرق. فيل أزرق. ديناصور رمادي. What is رمادي? Again, it's what color? It's gray. So gray dinosaur, right? It's a gray dinosaur. Gray dinosaur. Good job. Here we have دب أصفر. دب أصفر. So what are we expected to see? So دب is bear. Then we have yellow. It's دب أصفر. دب أصفر. Good job, everyone. You did great. So this is the first part of colors, and we will continue in another video, the second part. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave your comments, any recommendations, any feedback that you have, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, everyone. مع السلامة وشكرا لكم.